That one almost landed on you.
Fairy bluebird. That's the male right there.
Which one is it?
The fairy bluebird.
Okay. I have not been in here and seen that one yet.
Yeah, it's this time of day. Actually, we were just talking to some of the birds. When there's a lot of guests going, like kind of hide away. Some of them don't care. They're down here under footer, but the fairy bluebirds is one of the ones that when guests start coming in here, likes to go and hide a bit more.
There's that the Royal Crested Pigeon that's in here, right?
Yeah, the Victoria Crown Pigeon.
What is this again?
Victoria
Crown. Okay, yeah, Victoria Crown Pigeon.
They were just right on the path here a second ago. They just started building the nest for the day up here in the tree. So
for the day? Oh my goodness.
They've been for about almost 2 months, well, longer than this, but this particular spot, this branch right up here, you can just see like there's one piece of grass hanging over like that Y. Every day they come in here and they start bringing grass branches up in there. They give up about halfway through the day. They're not very good at it.
Okay.
And then some of the other birds come along and they like trash the nest.
Oh no.
So if you can see, there's some like sticks and everything down in here because some of them either fall down because they're not very good at it,
right?
Or the other birds come along and they tear it apart. I think there was a lot more debris here in the tree. The keepers like cleaned it out.
So how do they end up building a nest eventually?
They keep trying, and I know the keepers. If you notice around here, we have some of the like starters. They have like it's like a little wire.
I've seen that.
To give them.
Yeah.
They don't seem to be interested.
Okay.
In it, and it's my understanding that the pair that we have, they haven't been fertile.
Oh.
So the couple times they have.
So they wouldn't be successful anyway.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh man, I love it in here so much.
Yeah, I love just the sound. Because people ask, because we move all along the trail and from the different ones, like what's your favorite? I like being out in front of the tigers when they're all being active and cute and whatnot. But most of the day, the guests come along, you're like, there's a tiger over there, he's sleeping. There's a tiger over there, he's sleeping. There's a tiger over there, but there's always just to listen.
Yeah.
I mean, if you could like take a nap in here and just listen to the birds.
What's the square footage in here?
I'm not sure.
I'm just
I know we have
person.
just over 300 birds. I mean,
in here?
Yes, in here.
There's 300 birds in here.
There are 300 birds in
here. Okay.
Is that what it is today? It's like, yeah, because obviously we have some that are born on a regular basis. They had
they
one.
go to other facilities. We trade a lot with other zoos.
Yeah.
Right.
I know sometimes they just told us this morning about the Leo tricks that you guys took out of here. That was landing, because we had one of our little birds was landing on people's shoes and like going after this. That's not a good thing.
No. It's cute, but of course it's not.
Like underfoot is one thing, but.
Backstage we have the avian research center.
Okay.
And we have a lot of birds over there.
Gotcha.
Breeding and breeding, so sometimes we try individuals in the aviaries to see if they are a good fit, and that little dude was not. But he's a great breeder, so he's gonna be great at ours.
That's
Right.
my understanding. I talked to all the keepers and cast members, and
Right.
there's in the front area where you have all of the when you first enter, there's that or I keep wanting to say he's a Canadian goose. It's a Hawaiian goose, Nene, named Monty. And he's got a sister or sibling named Christo somewhere,
Right.
and he was hand raised at a zoo, and he does like you guys are trying to like get him to go to another zoo because he has good genes.
Right.
But he just no. The ducks are swimming around him. He's just like no. I don't know what I'm doing.
It depends on the individual.
Yeah. I love them though. I love it. I love all the avian.
Yeah, and then obviously the birds that we have in here are all the Asian birds, but we have even, have you ever noticed when you come in the front entrance, the bird houses that we have before you go through security?
Yes. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Yep.
they are, I'm drawing a blank. What are the birds that we have the bird houses out there? Yeah, purple martins. So
Okay.
we have some backstage too areas because they're trying to give them, a place to.
Right.
Because I believe they're endangered. So, and we have some of our cast members volunteer to go check on the nests every so often. Are they doing okay and whatnot? So I don't know the whole schedule. I'm not part of that program, but they periodically have to go out there, and I think they count them. They make sure they're doing okay.
Yeah. You ever get hit? That one was really close.
Not yet. And I know when I first started in here a while back, they said that the key is when you see them like coming towards you, to stay still.
Okay.
Because they've picked out their path and they might come right by you.
Right.
Now, if they're coming towards you and you're like, and you duck out.
Right.
That's when you get hit.
Right.
Because they're going to go like right by you, and then now you've moved in.
Good morning.
Right
Yeah.
next to them.
Yeah.
Now get hit by excrement. Yeah.
Daily? Yeah.
That's why if you're ever in here and you get hit, we have.
That's awesome. Yeah. My daughter got tagged last week when we were in here. She got hit. She goes, "Daddy got pooped on. What do I do?" I'm like, "We wipe it off."
Yeah. I have like pretty regularly like shoulders, shoes, pants, whatever.
Right.
yesterday, for the first time, a really big, thick one right in my hair. And thankfully, somebody came to my turn to like go on break.
Oh,
Like,
good.
right after that happened, I just went in the bathroom.
Yeah.
And, I mean, I wiped it out with like some wipes. We have some regular wet ones, wipes too, or whatever. But that was like most of the time I'm like, yeah, get off, whatever. I'll wash this as soon as I get home. But that
Yeah.
was like, yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom right now and take care of this. Here he comes.
So I have a great video of him from last week. He walks within like this far of it,
Right.
and I just love being in here. I spend all day in here. It's my wife and I.
So have you seen him fly up here?
No, he's always on the ground.
If you give him, just if you don't mind waiting for a couple minutes,
Of
you
course
guys are
not.
allowed to go around if you want. As soon as he picks up this branch,
Yeah.
it's probably gonna take him a couple minutes because he'll from about right where it is, he's gonna fly right up to the
Oh,
tree.
really? And do they have names too? And
Yeah, this is the male. This is Guinness. He's got blue bands.
okay,
The female has the like light green bands. She's Stella.
okay.
Yeah, so he's gonna take off right now. He usually lands here, and he's gonna go over to the crook of this tree. And then right there is where they're starting to build the nest. And Stella is around here somewhere. She's also looking for branches.
Okay.
They'll like take turns. Like once they start to get a few branches there,
Right.
he will kind of like sit on them to kind of like hold them in place, or she will.
Okay.
And then the other one will find some more and like hand it off. So they'll like bring the stick or the grass up there. And it's funny because he'll take just about anything. But when she's sitting there, he'll
Yeah.
bring up a piece of grass, he'll hand it to her, and she'll kind of look at it, and she'll grab it, and she'll throw it down on the ground like she's not happy.
No.
Like, go try again.
I'm not having it.
I haven't seen this happen, but sometimes she's taken one, she's thrown it down to the ground. He's come down and picked up the exact same one again to bring it back up again, and
Right.
she's still like,
That's great.
no, like she still won't take it. I don't know if you've ever seen that. There's a video that was online a while ago. A husband and wife like shopping in a grocery store, like picking out fruit.
Yeah.
And he kept handing her stuff, and she's like, "That's not good. That's not good." So he reached into her basket, picked out one that she picked out,
Right.
handed it to her, and she was like, "No,
That's
not
funny. No, I'll check that out.
Yeah, so it's a similar situation, I think. Sometimes
Yeah.
with the two.
And then you were mentioning that like then they're not successful, right? Like the.
Oh, yeah, so like it's usually just like I said, they just started, and that's the second branch I saw him bring up there today, and it's usually around lunchtime or so that he'll give up on it, and then one of the galahs, which are like the pink looking parrot ones,
Yeah.
or I've seen some of the other pigeons will come along and they'll just tear the nest apart.
What's this behavior that he's demonstrating? He's like flapping his wings and like doing like a gullet type of.
I'm not sure. Do you know if there's anything in particular with him like just flapping his wings like that a little bit?
It could be like a way for him to. It could be a temperature regulation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is
Honestly,
incredible.
not something I see him do very often.
Oh,
Yeah.
so rare footage.
Yeah.
Rare footage here. That's awesome. Oh my gosh.
I know sometimes it's like if he's like in a particular spot and some of the other birds get too close, he's like.
And this is the female you
This
said,
is
right?
my territory, and will
Yeah.
find ways to make himself look really big.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
And actually, just before he went up there,
Yeah.
one of the gray-capped doves was sitting in that exact spot, and he had to take it off. So that might be like, you know, this is my territory.
Right.
Stay
That
away.
was, oh god, a while ago.
Where's she going?
Bella was over on that side, and Alfred was on a branch across from it. Decided to start walking closer to her.
Right.
Immediately, she was like waving up her crest. was
Hello,
super
welcome in, welcome in.
red.
Thank you,
Right.
friends.
Yeah.
And you said he was Guinness and her name is
Stella.
Stella.
This is Stella, that was it.
Awesome.
Yeah, Stella's got the green
Yes.
bands.
Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna move on because I've got a lot more to look at. But appreciate you, Jeff and
Enjoy,
Amanda.
everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you have any more questions, just feel free.
I will, please. I might annoy you eventually.
Oh, no, that's not possible.
Okay.
This morning, Jeff.
That sounds like a challenge, Jeff.
I accept your challenge.
Okay. Take care, guys. Hey, everybody. I was enjoying Jeff and Amanda's conversation about the birdies here, the Asian birds here. How are you doing, friend? Thanks for stopping in. If you're watching still, appreciate it. I think I saw a comment. I'm trying to get better at this. I'm not very good at it. See me working. All right. Okay, so and then there was the Disney Streamer Network. Hey, Disney Streamer Network, I looked you up. Pretty cool. I asked if you would drop a comment or send me a message. How would I go about talking to you? I really want to. I'm interested. If you're still in the chat, drop me a note or something. That'd be awesome. So cool. Look at this guy. Hello, friend. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. Oh, I'm a bird. Someone's being curious. I know.
Male Malayan Argus pheasant. He's kind of going through one of his molts right now.
Is he the one that goes woo woo?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have video of him doing that.
Yeah.
So now when my family and I, when we get separated in the park, if we don't, we're like, where are you? We just go woo woo.
Yeah.
So like we're leaving.
It comes in handy.
Yeah.
Because it's like they live in dense forested areas, so they're not necessarily going to have an easy time seeing each other.
Right.
They have to have
That loud.
distinct vocalizations
Right.
to be able to
Yeah.
find a mate or let other males know, being like, this is my spot.
Right. Woo woo. Have a good woo woo. Hey friends. Hey friends, welcome in. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel.
Right behind you.
Yep. You can take a moment, give us a like, sub, anything. That'd be awesome.